Hi, it's Lars Bergerson from Bergerson Boat, Lake Geneva, Wisconsin. I have here today, this is a 1953 Century Resorter, 19 foot, all original engine, which has been rebuilt. This is what we call an M47. I can tell by looking at it that it's all redone. You can see it has the head gasket aviation spray on it. This thing has been gone over. All new cloth wiring. This does have a 6-volt system, so it's all done exactly like it was. Let's see here, points. Yeah, traditional points. The boat is has a good bottom, and you soak it for a day and it tightens right up. So it's an original bottom. It's a good boat. It could use some things. You know, if somebody wanted to restore completely, I would say get the gauges redone, maybe the steering wheel. But otherwise, it's all here. It's all like it was. It has the Iva light, which you can see right here. Choke, horn. Turns over nice for 6 volts.
The gauges are cool. Do you want to show us the
Yeah,
gauges?
so these gauges are kind of neat. I kind of collect gauges, and I always thought these were neat. They have a sort of a 50s vibe, but they could see some restoration right here. I can see the needle dropped a little bit, but otherwise, mechanically, the engine runs good. It has a new throttle in it, which you can see right here, kind of an aviation-style throttle. The finish on the boat is, you know, it's decent shaped. It could probably use some fresh varnish. I'm going to take them around that.
What about the trailer?
So the trailer, Highlander, single axle, older trailer, but has bearing buddies on it, has a spare tire. I mean, I wouldn't take it to Florida, but you could definitely take it around locally. It's in good shape. I think this would be a great starter boat for somebody. Reasonably priced, gets you into the game. They're fun. Centuries are always fun because they're fast. They got power. This thing probably goes pretty good with the 135 horse M47 in it. It's a great boat.